So tell me about the installation procedures you guys have come up with. Obviously the Glass Advanced is able to be applied with a roller or an airless sprayer. What methods do you find?
We started out rolling it and quickly learned the benefits of spraying it. The removal is so much easier when you spray it.
It's more consistent?
It's a consistent, even thickness, and the appearance is much better too. It goes on so much cleaner and provides a nice privacy for our clients. And so, you know, through spraying, we found different ways to protect the frames or spray some of the frames, but really the spraying's opened up. It's so much faster, more efficient, and I think the product is more intended to be sprayed, in my opinion.
Sure.
Better performing.
Sure. And so you were saying that you outsource that, or you've got an in-house painter that
we brought on an in-house painter that does all of that, and that too has really helped our system and the product we deliver, because it is more of a painter's job, and it's really streamlined the process for us.